Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to resolve the pay-per-view request denied error in Turnitin when you're trying to view a matching source paper. This specific error pops up because Turnitin protects intellectual property, meaning the institution that owns that original paper has chosen to keep its database completely private. To bypass this barrier, you need to work directly with your course instructor, as they possess special administrative clearance to submit an official permission request to the administrator of that external school. If your instructor cannot get immediate access, your absolute best alternative is to carefully look at the Match Overview panel on the right side of your screen. This section often displays public alternative sources, archived internet pages, or open web publications that share the exact same matching text, allowing you to easily locate the original reference material on your own. Subscribe the channel for more videos.